Metformin, a widely prescribed medication for type 2 diabetes, is generating significant excitement in aging research. While its ability to regulate blood sugar has been its claim to fame for decades, recent studies suggest it might extend lifespan and promote healthier aging. This potential stems from the drug's influence on fundamental cellular processes linked to aging. Metformin activates AMPK, an enzyme that acts as a cellular energy sensor. By mimicking low energy, metformin triggers beneficial effects, including improved insulin sensitivity and reduced inflammation. These processes are intricately linked with aging, making metformin a promising anti-aging candidate. However, it is crucial to approach these findings with cautious optimism. More research is needed to determine the long-term effects of metformin on human lifespan. Nonetheless, repurposing metformin for anti-aging has ignited hope in the quest for longevity. Metformin's history is deeply rooted in traditional medicine, dating back centuries to the use of Galega officinalis, commonly known as French lilac or goat's rue. This plant, native to Europe and Western Asia, was recognized for its therapeutic properties and used to alleviate symptoms associated with frequent urination, a common sign of diabetes.
In the early 20th century, scientists began to isolate and study the active compounds in Galega officinalis, leading to the identification of guanidine. While guanidine showed promise in lowering blood sugar, its toxic side effects hindered its clinical use. Further research led to the discovery of metformin, a biguanide derived from guanidine, in the 1920s. Metformin shared guanidine's blood sugar lowering effects, but exhibited a more favorable safety profile, paving the way for its development as a pharmaceutical drug. This marked the beginning of metformin's transformation from an ancient herbal remedy to a cornerstone of modern diabetes management.
Metformin's journey from the laboratory to the clinic took several decades, marked by rigorous research and clinical trials.
In the 1950s, French physician Jean Sterne conducted groundbreaking studies on metformin, demonstrating its efficacy in treating type 2 diabetes. These findings led to the drug's approval for use in France in 1957 under the brand name Glucophage. However, metformin's introduction to the United States was delayed until 1995 due to concerns about a rare but serious side effect called lactic acidosis. Once these concerns were addressed through careful patient selection and monitoring, metformin quickly gained popularity among physicians and patients alike.
Its effectiveness in lowering blood sugar, coupled with its affordability and relatively low risk of side effects, made it a first-line treatment for type 2 diabetes. Metformin's mechanism of action, distinct from other diabetes medications, involves reducing glucose production in the liver and improving insulin sensitivity in muscle and fat cells. Today, metformin is one of the most widely prescribed medications globally, with millions of people relying on it to manage their diabetes. Section 4. A Fountain of Youth, Metformin's Anti-Aging Potential Unveiled. While metformin's success in treating diabetes is well established, its potential to combat aging has emerged as an exciting area of scientific inquiry.
Intriguing observations in diabetic patients taking metformin provided the initial clues, as these individuals appeared to have a lower incidence of age-related diseases and in some studies even lived longer than their non-diabetic counterparts.
These anecdotal findings sparked a wave of research using various model organisms, including yeast, worms, flies, and mice. Remarkably, metformin consistently extended lifespan and improved health span in these organisms, delaying the onset of age-related decline and reducing the incidence of age-associated diseases.
Encouraged by these preclinical findings, researchers initiated human studies to explore metformin's anti-aging potential directly. While these studies are still ongoing, early results suggest that metformin may offer benefits beyond blood sugar control, including a reduced risk of cancer, cardiovascular disease, and cognitive decline.
The question that remains is whether these observed benefits translate into a longer and healthier lifespan for humans. Section 5. Unraveling the secrets, how metformin may slow aging. The precise mechanisms by which metformin exerts its potential anti-aging effects are complex and multifaceted, involving a complex interplay of cellular pathways and molecular targets.
One of the key players in this intricate network is AMPK, an enzyme that acts as a cellular energy sensor. AMPK is often described as a fuel gauge for the cell, becoming activated when cellular energy levels are low. Once activated, AMPK initiates a cascade of events that promote energy conservation and production, such as increasing glucose uptake and fatty acid oxidation, while simultaneously inhibiting energy-consuming processes like cell growth and protein synthesis.
Metformin activates AMPK indirectly, mimicking a state of low energy within the cell. This activation triggers a series of downstream effects that contribute to its anti-aging potential.
These effects include improved insulin sensitivity by enhancing insulin signaling. Metformin allows cells to utilize glucose more efficiently, reducing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a hallmark of aging. Metformin dampens inflammation by inhibiting inflammatory pathways, potentially protecting against age-related diseases. Enhanced cellular repair. Metformin promotes autophagy, a cellular recycling process that removes damaged components, promoting cellular health and longevity.
Section 6. Not a one-size-fits-all individual responses to metformin. While the potential of metformin as an anti-aging agent is exciting, it is essential to recognize that not everyone responds to metformin in the same way.
Individual variability in drug response is a well-established phenomenon influenced by a complex interplay of factors, including genetics, age, lifestyle, and the presence of other medical conditions. Genetic variations can influence how the body processes metformin, leading to differences in its effectiveness and the likelihood of experiencing side effects.
Age-related changes in metabolism and kidney function can also impact metformin's pharmacokinetics, requiring dose adjustments in older individuals.
Lifestyle factors such as diet, exercise, and body weight can also modulate metformin's effects. Additionally, the presence of other medical conditions, particularly kidney or liver disease, can increase the risk of side effects.
Understanding these individual variations is crucial for optimizing metformin therapy and minimizing the risk of adverse events.
Personalized approaches to medicine, taking into account individual characteristics and tailoring treatment plans accordingly, hold the key to maximizing the benefits of metformin while ensuring its safe and effective use.
Section 7. The future of metformin, personalized approaches and continued research. The future of metformin research lies in unraveling individual responses and developing personalized approaches to maximize its potential.
This involves identifying biomarkers to predict who benefits from metformin and optimizing its use in different populations. Large-scale trials are evaluating metformin's long-term effects on aging and its efficacy in preventing age-related diseases.
These trials will provide insights into optimal dosing, treatment duration, and potential long-term risks and benefits.
Researchers are exploring combining metformin with other anti-aging interventions to enhance its effects. These therapies could target multiple aging pathways, leading to significant improvements in health span and lifespan.
Metformin's journey from a diabetes drug to a potential anti-aging therapy showcases the power of scientific curiosity. While the quest for the fountain of youth continues, metformin stands as a beacon of hope for a longer, healthier life.